welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Minors forcefully confined in circus. Crime branch raids premises after girl complaints of sexual harassment, human trafficking. Police rescue 18 minors. Carnival Fiesta commences in Goa. Extravaganza to rock Goa for 4 days. King Momo parades in Panji with colourful floats. Rane supporters furious with GPCC chief's statement on Rane's retirement. Junior Rane calls it dangerous, says such utterances will finish Congress party. A woman dies on the spot after tourist passed turtles on heading vehicle. Bus hits 2 cars at the same time. 24 Russians travelling in bus received minor injuries. And Sagun Kamath proves most expensive player of GPL Season 5. GPL 2020 tournament to begin on March 12. Now news in detail. Moonlight Circus revealed dark facts. A minor girl complained of forcefully being confined in the circus. Immediately, crime branch raided the premises and rescued 18 minor boys and girls from Moonlight Circus at Madgaon. The girl has narrated a horrific story of human trafficking, torture and sexual assault in her complaint to the police.
It was supposed to entertain kids. It was set up to put a brave front, but it turned out to be a disgusting den of atrocities on minor girls and boys. A girl's bravery led to the rescue of 18 persons. A combined police team of Goa on Saturday morning rescued 6 minor girls, 8 minor boys and 4 adult boys from Moonlight Circus at Margao. Police have arrested 5 accused, including owner and manager of the circus, for confining minors in human trafficking.
There are 5 accused persons. The first accused is Abdul Khan, who is supposed to be the owner of the circus also. Then we have Vijay Nikum. Third is Ram Prasad. Fourth, Rohan Ren Singh. And fifth, Virendra Chand Mondal. Now, Abdul Khan and Virendra Chand Mondal, they are co-accused in the sexual assault case.
Goa police swung into action as the minor victim girl, with the help of her NGO, succeeded to contact Panji Women's Cell. DIG of Crime Branch O.P. Mishra stated the daring story of the complainant.
3 minor victims, they escaped from the premises in January and they went to Mumbai. From Mumbai, they were planning, all 3 were planning to board a train for Havra, that is their native place. And in that process of boarding, one of the victim girl, she fell down from the train. And later on, she was rescued by the local police. She disclosed a very horrific story. She has been in this circus probably as old as she was 1 year. While she has been in the circus, she was continuously tortured and even sexually abused by the owner of the circus.
Rescued victims have been sent to protective home. Reporters Mukesh Kumar and Mayur Naik with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
King Momo has arrived. It's Viva Carnival. Carnival celebrations began in the state with kickoff at capital city on Saturday. Dance, floats and carnival parade. The city has worn a colourful look. Many Goans and foreigners in large numbers witnessed the arrival of King Momo.
Viva, viva, carnaval. Viva Carnaval. King Momo is gonna declare his victory onto Goa for 4 days of fun and festivities. Viva Carnaval.
Hasta porta la certa Zaltenen de asa kusha So uita goizo carnaval Carnaval, onde é carnaval So boia, wazon talartal Apletore zauia kushal Nazonulon zaliat hal Vivere viva, viva carnaval Vivere viva, viva carnaval
Goa, 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 są sara castana Guciero cicie won, postato cię rispan Ami sobie me won, fuluita San Juan Goa, goa, goa Goa, 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 namrei matke ciesha Pamat mamsha kawa, sukrano co bazar Sorte na tvoje, ami nis goeka Goya ami so, por fuluita carnival Goa, 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 są sara castana Guciero cicie won, postato cię rispan Ami sobie me won, fuluita San Juan Goa, goa, goa Goa, goa, goa
Viva carnaval Hasta porta la certa Zaltenen de asa kusha So uita goizo carnaval Carnaval, onde é carnaval So boia, wazon talartal Apletore zauia
The tussle among the Rane Group and GPCC is now in the open. GPCC Chief John Fernandez announced retirement plans of opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane on Saturday. He announced that Rane will not contest any election henceforth. Rane camp is annoyed with this statement of John. They have called this statement dangerous and have warned that such kind of utterances may finish the party.
Request the senior leaders to take rest. They should take rest, and more leaders should take rest. Seniors who have already served the state of Goa, there should not be perpetuity in their service in public life. I have said that they should take rest and allow other young leadership to come up. But I am saying Mr. Rane has already told me, Mr. Pratap Singh Rane, that he won't be standing again. So it is a good sign. He can promote his younger generation, his own son is there, or other people in the constituency. That is a welcome sign. Mr. Rane is not going to stand, then his son is eligible. There are no two people from the same family. So that is what I am saying. Because we cannot disqualify. There is no disqualification.
This statement of John Fernandez created a storm within the Congress. Vishwajit Rane said, local leadership has no right to take such decision. Rane also warned that such statements during Lok Sabha election can destroy the party.
पार्टी कशी मजबूत करपाची, पार्टी कशें फुडें वचपाचें हेजेर विचार करपाची अत्यंत गरजेची गोष्ट आसा. आनी मुख्य म्हणजे प्रताप सिंग राणे रावतलो इलेक्शनाक काय रावतो ना, थारावीक हांगा लोकल लिडरशिपाक म्हाका दिसना चड आमी म्हत्व दिवंक जाय. कारण प्रताप सिंग राणे योग्य अशें काबील अशी व्यक्ती आहा जे ठरू शकता की आपूण केन्ना इलेक्शनाक रावचो आनी आमी केन्ना रिटायर जावचो. म्हाका दिसना कोणी अधिकार दिल्लो आसा स्थानीक नेतृत्वाक असले डिसिजन घेवपाक. असले जे उल्लेख केले वयता हे पार्टी फक्त काबार करपाचो प्रयत्न जाता काय जात कितें चल्लां म्हाका काय हेजेर टिका करपाची ना, काय सजेशन काय हेजेर कांयच लक्ष दिवपाचें ना. कारण सगळ्या गोष्टीक वेळ काळ आसता. लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन रिटायर जातलो म्हण असले स्टेटमेंट येता हे पार्टीक धोकादायक इलेक्शनान जावं शकता आनी हेजो डिमोरलायज केडराक जावं शकता. कारण होच नेतो आयज ह्या दोन्ही जर लोकसभे निवडणूक लढटा त्या दोगांक वांगडा व्हरून हांकां निवडून हाडपाची जबाबदारी तेजेर आसा, पार्टीच्या अध्यक्षाचेर बी आसा. पूण असले गोष्टीची चर्चा यांना करू नये. या योग्य हो टाइम न्हू.
Our reporters Mahesh Gari, Devendra Gaonkar and Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.